If you listen to a single song, you will receive $525. As you can see, I have already made over $900 using this platform just by listening to music. The best part is I'll show you how to double or even increase those earnings by 5 times, so watch this video until the end. If you listen to 2 songs, you will earn $10.50. If you listen to 20 songs, you will earn $15. The first thing you have to do is go to musicyoutube.com to start listening to various songs and music. Signing up for an account on music.u.com is completely free. The best part is that you can download the YouTube Music app to your smartphone for free. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, you can go to the Google Play Store to download the app. As you can see, there's a wide variety of trending music that you can listen to, and all of this music is available in different languages. Once you have downloaded YouTube Music to your smartphone, you can discover and explore various music to listen to inside the app. What I usually do is scroll down and then click on this button, which is for exploring trending songs. Alternatively, if you're using an iPhone, you can go to the Apple App Store and download the same app as you can see here. I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of device you are using, an Android phone or an iPhone. You will then be directed to this page where you can see the top 20 songs currently trending. For instance, if you want to listen to a specific song, simply click the play button to begin. You can also find related songs here. You can access a large variety of songs and playlists on YouTube, and you can listen to all of this music on your computer or smartphone. Now that you know how to find songs on YouTube, allow me to introduce you to genius.com, where you can search for various song lyrics. This site has a huge selection of song lyrics available. For instance, all I have to do to find the lyrics to Drake's song, First Person Shooter, is enter the name of the artist or the song title here, choose it from the drop-down menu, and I'll be directed to a page where I can read the lyrics in addition to listening to the song. This is the name of the song and its complete lyrics. I want you to pay close attention to this next section so that you don't make any mistakes. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to actually listen to the music and copy the words. Thus, for a relatively short song like this, usually lasting between 3 and 4 minutes, you can easily get money by transcribing. Now have a look at this. For each audio minute, you will receive $1.50 for simply listening to the song and translating the lyrics. A typical song lasts 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Thus, based on these revenues, you can make $525 each song. Thus, the next action I would like you to take is visit this website, rev.com. This website offers a variety of music transcription jobs, including captioning and translating subtitles. For example, if you translate the music you hear into lyrics, you will get paid for each minute of audio you translate. For more information, continue watching this video. Let's go back to rev.com now, as I will demonstrate a number of free software applications that can complete the task for you. You can make money online by transcribing or captioning from home by scrolling all the way to the bottom of the website and clicking on freelancers under the About section. The best thing about this website is that you can work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want, and you have the freedom to choose projects that genuinely interest you. Additionally, all finished work will be paid into your Pile account on a weekly basis. As you navigate down, you'll see that there are primarily 2 types of jobs on this website: transcribing and captioning. Please choose Transcriptionist and click Learn More. This will take you to a page with more details about the website, such as how to sign up and get approved to begin transcribing. All you have to do is enter your first and last name, email address, and country. As you can see, they accept users from all over the world, so you can take advantage of this opportunity from anywhere in the world. That being said, I would appreciate it if you could leave a comment below letting me know which country you are viewing this video from so that I can make videos specifically tailored to your area in my future content. Now, let me introduce you to another website that has the potential to double your income. GoTranscript.com. You can register for an account there to begin earning money by transcribing music lyrics. Go to GoTranscript.com, scroll to the bottom of the website, and select Work. They provide competitive rates for online transcription tasks, with 60 cents being paid for each minute of audio or video that you learn. Thus, you can get $2 to $10 by listening to and transcribing a standard song that lasts for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Working with GoTranscript.com has various advantages, as you can see here. If you would like to create a free account and begin making money, click the Apply Now button. You will then be sent to a website where you may do so. Simply provide your email address and password, and then click the Sign Up button. It's as easy as that. As an added piece of advice, I'd want to have you register on other sites, like GoTranscript.com and Rev.com. In this manner, you might get access to additional global work chances. Now that you have registered on both services, you are prepared to earn money by writing lyrics for songs. Now let's proceed to the next phase. I would like you to go to howto00111. It is a free online application that makes transcription work easier. Click the blue button to start transcribing. To get started, you only need to download a music file or find a link. For instance, if you go back to music.youtube.com to find music for transcription, you should be able to find the Air button. When you click on it, a pop-up containing a link to the specific song will open. This link copies the full song, and use Snapshot.io to download the music file. To accomplish this, go to Snapinsta.io, paste the URL you copied earlier, select MP3 from the drop-down option, click Obtain Link, and then download. The following step is simple. I want to share a bonus tip with you now that can help you double or even quintuple your earnings at Rev.com. Click the button to upload the downloaded music file. This free tool will automatically transcribe the entire soundtrack, though it may contain some grammatical errors that you'll need to correct manually. The average wage for a transcribing job is $1.50 per minute, but if you look into international subtitles, you'll find that they pay much more, between $3 and $7 per minute. Therefore, allow me to demonstrate your abilities. Let's go back to music. This leads us to the next website, Dull.com, which is a free online translator you can use to translate music from foreign languages into English. You can find a variety of music and foreign languages on YouTube that are not in English. The reason they offer a higher rate is because transcribing music from different foreign languages into English can be more difficult. For instance, you can translate music from Portuguese into English. It also works the other way around, enabling you to translate music from English into any language you choose, including French, German, Spanish, or any other language.